Hello everyone and welcome po ulit sa ating YouTube channel. I am hoping of course that all of you are safe, especially this time na we're still experiencing ng pag-spread ng virus. Anyway, if you're new here in my channel, kindly hit yung subscribe button and yung notification bell as well para notified ka sa mga succeeding videos natin. On this video is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano enroll ang ating BPI account sa Gcash. Once we enrolled is syempre pwede na tayong mag-cash in sa Gcash using our BPI online account. First, all we need to do is login tayo sa ating Gcash app using your phone number or yung tinatawag natin na MPIN. And added information lang mga kapositibo, pwede natin i-download ang Gcash app if wala pa kayong available on your phone. And of course, you can download it from Play Store or App Store for free. Now that we are logged in on our Gcash, let's click Cash In and this will show all the list of bank na pwede natin i-enroll sa Gcash. Here we go. Then click natin yung view all. And since I am using BPI, I will hit BPI. There you go. Ito yung may encounter natin na mag-pop up na message like this na wala pa tayong existing BPI account na nai-enroll sa ating Gcash account. Okay, so we move forward. We hit enroll now. Here is kailangan natin na mayroon tayong existing username and password so we could complete the process. Unting tip lang mga kapositibo, if ever na mayroon kang current savings account sa BPI, so this doesn't mean na magkakaroon ka na rin ng online app. No. You need to set up a BPI online account right after you got BPI account with them. So ilalagay na natin yung ating username and password. Alright, let's move forward. Right after na ilagay natin yung username natin sa password, so we will hit accept. Yan yung mag-pop up na message saying that BPI registration is successful. Napakadali, di ba? Bravo! And well done! Now na successful and totally enrolled na yung bank account natin in Gcash, pwede na tayong mag-cash in through BPI. Alright? If you think that this video helps you, kindly hit that like button and please do comment na rin po. Alright? Be positive always and bye everyone!